One of the great features of our STEM options program for girls here at Penn State Brandywine is that they get to be in workshops with women professionals from STEM fields across the region. Whether they be professional engineers or chemists or microbiologists, they actually get to have some quality time in small groups in our laboratories and classrooms on campus. So they're hearing directly from women that are in the field, learning about their own career pathways, and getting, again, hands-on in actually doing science and technology exercises. The workshops we offer for girls are hands-on, discovery-based. The idea is not to do a cookbook laboratory exercise where the results are known. The idea is to promote inquiry, to have the girls ask questions.
I think it's great that the girls are able to come and see women in action, to actually see the professionals who are doing those jobs day in and day out. Coming to STEM options, I was kind of representing the nature education and botany part of science. So I think my favorite part of being a session leader is just kind of watching those moments, those, aha moments, those discovery moments. The STEM options program really shows kind of the breadth and depth that is out there. It's not just focusing on one part of the word STEM. It is showing the variety.
During the day when we have our STEM options programs, when you come around the campus, the momentum, the energy, the excitement is so contagious, and it's so wonderful to see. The idea is not necessarily to light the science world on fire, but it's to light their world on fire, to get them excited to know that they can do work in STEM. You can actually work in a laboratory. You can work outdoors in the field. You can work at a nature center. You can do so many different things that are beyond what girls might be introduced to through movies or television shows. So it's great for them to get that real world connection with a real woman working in STEM. And then we know that the teachers from these middle schools and high schools are going back to the schools with these girls, armed with resources and new knowledge and new connections. And those conversations can continue on even after they've spent time here with us at Penn State Brandywine. In addition to our hands-on workshops, we also do career panels for the girls as well, where we'll ask our female professionals in STEM to come to a room and allow the girls to ask any questions they want. And this is so important and so valuable. How often do girls that are in middle school and high school get the opportunity to ask open and honest questions? The literature is showing that middle school girls typically get turned off from science. That's the age where we start targeting our STEM options programs. We want to make sure these middle school girls realize that science can be a positive experience for them, and they can have fun doing it, and yes, they can be successful as a scientist in their own future.